Assalamualaikum, good afternoon guys. Thank you for the time that given to me. Here I want to introduce myself. My name is Yuda Adi Sayoko. You can call me Yuda or my friend call me Sayoko. Now I'm gonna present something that very interesting and it relate to the final project from Diploma System Information School of Applied Science Telkom University. And the title is Water Complaint Service Application for Customer, Web-based and SMS Gateway at PT Aitra Air Jakarta. But first, we must to know what is PT Aitra Air Jakarta. PT Aitra Air Jakarta is a regional drinking water company that is responsible for effort to provide service to the community in the clean water service sector, namely clean water that is suitable for consumption and is suitable for other community needs. Customer complaint service, there are still manual often make customer who have to come to report the complaint, so they must come to the place directly. The water complaint service application for web-based customer at PT Aitra Air Jakarta is accepted to be a solution to this problem with the presence of feature such adding data for filling complaints, monitoring the status of filling customer complaint is accepted to facilitate the process of water complaint service for this customer. In the development of this application using the waterfall method and using the CodeIgniter framework and MySQL database. With this application, it is accepted that the water complaint service process for this customer can be used maximally. In making this application, the method used is the software development life cycle or SDLC model with the waterfall model. This method takes a systematic approach starting from requirement analysis, design, coding or implementation, testing and finally maintenance. So let's go to the first step, that analysis. Analysis is the step of analyzing the things that are required in the implementation of software development or development project. In this case, the analysis is carried out by analyzing the document used in the complaint service at PT Aitra Air Jakarta and complaint service implementation. Procedure at this stage, the search for information that can be obtained through interview. Interview were conducted with the head of equipment and maintenance and service section. The result of this interview are used as a reference in developing this application. The second step is design. The application design carried out at this stage with use UML diagram business process mapping using BPMN, determine the attribute and entities contained in the database with ERD. Determine what feature will be available to each user, make display design with mockup to determine the initial appearance of the application to be created. The third step is implementation. At this stage, coding of all the result of the design began to be used as function aimed at helping user carry out activity. Relate to previously designed function. The tool used for coding the application are Sublime Text 3. The fourth step is testing. At the testing stage, the application will be tested through the black box testing concept. This aim to test whether the application that is made still has error or not, and also to find out whether there is logic that is not in accordance with the proper business process flow. And the last step is maintain. Maintain is the final process or stage in the waterfall model. This maintain includes fixing damage or bug in the application. However, this stage will not be involved in the development of application made in this final project. After we know the method, we must to check for the modeling tools. We have for modeling. So we start from the first, and this is class diagram. Class diagram are diagram used to present class component, and relation between each class. In addition, class diagram describe the types of objects in the system and the various kind of static relationship that exist between them. Class diagram also show the properties and operation of a class as well as the limitation contained in the object relation. Move to the next tool is ERD, the most widely used initial database modeling in this entity relation diagram. ERD was developed based on set theory in mathematics. ERD is used for relation database modeling. Next is BPMN or Business Process Modeling Notation, which is a standard for graphical representation to define and describe business process issued by the Open Management Group. And the last is use case diagram, are diagram used to describe the relationship between system and actor. We don't just have to know modeling tool, we must to know application builder tool too. MySQL is one type of database server that is very well known and widely used to build web applications that use database as a source and data management. MySQL is a database that was first supported by a script programming language for the internet, PHP and Perl. MySQL and PHP are considered to be the ideal web application development software partner. MySQL is more often used to build web-based application. Generally, the application development use the PHP script programming language. Next is XMPP, is a software compilation that will Apache HTTP server, MySQL, PHP, and Perl. By using XMPP, the installation of software page need for the web development process can be done for easily without having to be done separately. The last is CodeIgniter, is a framework for the web created in PHP format. CodeIgniter is open source and use the base model MVC or Model View Controller, which is a modern concept model framework in use today. After we know the tools, now we can see the analysis and design. As we can see in the use case, there are three roles user in this project. There are supervisor, technician, and customer. There are login in the middle of the use case. What is the meaning? What can supervisor do after login? Next is entity relation diagram. There is 5 table from this ARD, and this is each table have attribute like ID, name, phone number, and the following is implementation of the interface used to design the appearance of the system being built. Login, registration, home, complaint, edit profile, role access, and page. Water complaint service application for customer based web and SMS gateway at PT Air Jakarta was built, and there are features that are capable manage and store data for giving the convenience to be customer. If you wanna check out for the material, you can see in here. That all. Thank you for your attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.